I think this challenge broke me. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? Guys, look at this wrapping paper I bought. I could literally see the reflection of the person I wish I was in this. I'm gonna make snake, and I'm only gonna use one node. And I'm gonna only use one script. What if it's 20 by 20? And we just have 3 pixels of art. The tile size is just gonna be 1 by 1. Okay, let's try it again. That's 20 by 20. Okay. That's perfect. Like if that's the snake. I think red is gonna be the food. The environment. Let's put black. So we need like a tick. We might have to add one more color for the borders. That'll be the edges. Snake. Position. Direction. Length. Food position. That extends tile map layer. I think it might get complicated because with the turning, like where you turn, the things have to catch up. You'll have multiple turn junctions. We'll have to think how that will work. But each tick... Oh, I think we don't even need a process function. I think... Can we just use a timer? We're not gonna add it to the scene because that would be... Gee. Wait, you have to add the timer to the scene. Okay, so yeah, we have to use the process function because this is just the ticking of the game. The coordinates, and each game tick, we are going to get the snake position, and we're gonna add plus the direction, and then we are going to set the snake position. Oh, before we set the snake position, we need to erase the end. Oh, so I think we need like a snake head and then a snake tail. Let's see if this works. Let's do the direction. Let's try it. Let's go. Position. Snake past position. So that way it'll look like this. I feel like we need an array of junction points. You know, when your snake is more than one and you turn, the junction point stays and then the side grows and this side shrinks. So I think if you turn, check junction each time you turn. If snake length is greater than 1, junction, append, snake position. Not only do we need a point, we need a direction. And oh, shit. Oh, damn. So what is happening is we just won't be erasing that. No erase. And we'll just be decrementing the tail. So I think before we even start with junctions, we should do the snake with size 2 going. We need the tail position. If food tile. Have a custom data layer. Is food tile. It'll be a boolean. Is food tile on. Good. And these are off. Perfect. I think since the world is 1 pixel, I think we don't need to convert this to map. Let's see if we don't need to do like local and maps. Yeah. Get cell tile data is food tile, and then we'll just return. Make length equals plus equal 1. Yeah. What the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? We should be erasing the cell behind tail. I don't know if that's gonna work, bro, but we gonna see. Let's go! Alright, let's put another food. That could have just been a glitch in the system. Let's go! Let's go! Speaking of bathrooms and commits, I've scripted my git pushes so that it says I shitted on the repo and plays them. Oh my god, that's the best thing I've read all week. That makes sense. I get it now. Okay. I just wanna run around in my underwear. I think this is actually making me go crazy. I think this challenge broke me. Okay. I actually don't want to do it. I kind of want to die right now. I just wanna run around in my underwear.
It's a good day.
Guys, they used AI to generate that. I don't know how they got that. I would never say that. Wow. Let's try adding it. Let's go! Let's go! Okay, we can't do multiple... Can we? Oh, we can! Oh, it worked! Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my god, that made me want to cry. Oh my god, okay. It's working. It's working. Okay, I feel hyped. Okay, now we're gonna check if it's on the border. It's from X1 to X38. We're gonna use another custom data layer. We'll say is snake tile is and then you can see here that that's that like that. It's like that. Hey, it's not a snake tile. Is valid position. Stream girlfriend because the ads are coming. Equals true. It's a random pause. Let's freaking go, yeah. We eating the food and the food is spawning. We could multi-mip map. Sheets! We can't put it there because it is... We can't have a font. Damn, we can't do that. Okay, you know what I'll do? Watch. You guys are gonna be so invested. Watch this. Bam! Is it? Oh my god, why did I do it? It was... Why isn't it? Okay, there we go. I just wanna run around in my underwear. Okay, guys, you can only get to level 10, okay? I'm not doing all of these Wait, then I can put them together. Oh, Lord and Lord, Lord and Lord, and Lord. I'm so sorry. You guys are allowed to leave right now if you want. I am being so annoying right now. I've never done the pattern stuff. Groud just told me about this. Set score. Look at the API with the patterns. Pattern. Get pattern. Oh, it's just an index. Okay, good. It's not a vector. Okay, perfect. It's just an wait, but why? It said get pattern chords. It's an what? Creates what? We're gonna get this stupid pattern. Groud, why did you do the API like this? Okay. It's an... I just wanna run around in my underwear. Listen, for all the people who use the tile maps, you need to know that Groud is the one that made them. I don't get how get pattern returns creates and returns a new what? It should be get it by index. What? Creates and returns. Hold the pattern. This. The pattern always starts at 0, 0 and cannot have cells with negative coordinates. Hold the page. Chords array. I'm literally writing Groud on Twitter. I am so mad at him right now. I'm gonna yell at him. Bro! Don't bully our engine. Bro! Do I need to apologize to Groud? Oh my god, I need to apologize to Groud. Never mind, I'm sorry. You the best. That's all we had to do. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, I was literally screaming for so long. Alright guys, we have the pattern now. Okay. Best scoreboard ever. We can okay, the snake can't eat itself. Let's do that. Okay, we're at line 114 and we have hope. Oh, look at that 6. It just looks horrible, but they get the point. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta rub me the right way. What does she mean by that? That's a 9. If you wanna be with me, there's your fantasy. That's it, you can only get up to 9. My commit. Initial commit. Score and everything else. I made my commit messages cause I'm a programmer. We need the border. I hope it just works on its own. Cheat! Alright guys, so if you touch the border, game over. And we're done. The last thing, I guess we need to have like adding the numbers. 1. If I had 39 and I just wanted to return 9, I guess I would divide by 10. 49 divided by 10. And then you would just get that. Mod, would it be that? Oh, I don't need to divide. I could just do that, right? 11. 12. Oh, it's kind of working. We just skipped one number. Look how... Jesus. Just gotta hard code it in sometimes. Let's go! God damn it! It went sometimes. Went minus equal minus equal 1. 10. 11, 11. Yes! 12, 12, 12, 12. Yes! Playing this on my mama's Nokia. Hell to the yeah, baby! You guys didn't think it could be done, and it was done. I almost gave up like twice, but we did it, man. We did it. Okay, oh my god, oh my god. How big is this? That's what she said over her. How big? Properties. Guys, our game is 2.6 megabytes. Oh my god, 7-hour stream. It's pretty nice. I know there's some things I could have done. Actually, yeah, like this. You could just get input. Like that doesn't need to be that long. There's a lot of things that don't need to be this long. But 171 lines. I'm done, guys. That's it. There's nothing left of me. Sorry for breaking down so many times. Maybe you guys enjoyed that. I don't know. Apologize. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I need to say sorry to crowd. Alrighty guys. Bye.